To fix the Doordash white screen login issue, start by checking your internet connection to ensure it is stable and working properly. A weak or unstable connection can cause the app to malfunction and display a white screen. Next, try restarting the Doordash app, as this can often resolve the issue by clearing any temporary bugs or glitches. If you are using a mobile device, close the app and reopen it. If you are using a web browser, refresh the page or try logging in from a different browser. Another step is to check for any updates to the Doordash app. Outdated apps can cause compatibility issues and lead to login problems. Go to the App Store, search for Doordash, and install any available updates. Clearing the app cache can also help resolve the issue. The cache can store corrupted data that prevents the app from functioning properly. For Android devices, go to Settings, then Storage, and select the Doordash app to clear the cache. For iOS devices, go to Settings, then General, and select iPhone Storage to clear the cache. If none of the above steps work, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Doordash app. This will remove any corrupted files and give you a fresh start. Be aware that you will need to log in again after reinstalling the app. Additionally, check if there are any issues with your account, such as a suspended or deactivated account. Contact Doordash customer support if you suspect any account-related problems. Finally, ensure that your device meets the minimum system requirements to run the Doordash app. Using an outdated device or operating system can cause compatibility issues and lead to login problems. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Doordash white screen login issue and access the app successfully.